Yes, YouTube, it's Cornell Lewis, and today we're going to talk about my tips on how to be better at bench press. Now these are just some small tips that you can incorporate in your movements to make your lift stronger, right? As you know, if you don't know, my favourite lift in the gym is the bench press, so it's only right I show you. Right, let's do this. So first, number one, it's hand placement, right? You see every barbell has lines on it like this, right? Some of them have two, but some of them get rubbed out. So to be safe, always put your little finger on there, right? Now the closer you bench, it's gonna work more triceps, and the wider you bench, it's gonna work more shoulders, right? So you wanna come with a equal, and just to be safe, we'll go there, right? Right, step number two is feet placement, right? Now you don't want your feet to be in the air like this with your ankles off the ground. You want your feet to be flat, and you also want them to be slightly wide, so you've got a good, nice, firm foundation to lift from. Step number three is when you lift the bar off here, when you lift it up, you don't want to be holding it in the air for like 10 seconds before going down. It's going to put too much strain on your forearms, it's going to waste energy. You don't want that, especially when you're going for your 1 rep maxes. So what you really want to be doing is taking a second, 1 second, like that. Too many people doing this and expecting to get a big lift. All that's going to do is throw your bench off. Now, step number 4 is the way you press it, right? You want to be retracting your shoulder blades back, because if you're retracting them forwards, you're not going to get the maximum power, you're not engaging your back, yeah? So you want to bring it back, push like that. So let me show you what I mean. So, like I said, you don't want your shoulders forward like this. Move your head off it. You want your head back, shoulders back. Yep. Another tip is bar position. So when you're bringing the bar down, you don't want to be bringing it like too low. You don't want it on your rib cage. You literally want it at the bottom of your pectoral muscles there. Again, you don't want it up here. You don't want to be chopping off your neck. You don't want none of that. Literally bang on the bottom of your chest, right across there. So let me show you what I mean by that. So your ribs would be about here, and your bottom of your pecs would be about there, yeah? And what we don't want is there, yeah? Because if you do that, you're just gonna be pushing with your shoulders, and you're not gonna be able to lift as much weight. So there, and tip number 6 is when you're pushing the bar, a lot of people are pushing the bar like forwards. So what I mean by that is, let me show you what I mean. So come from the side view here, they're lifting it, and then they're coming down, and then they're pushing forwards like that, right? Forwards like that. It's a weird movement, but I've seen it happen loads of times. What you really want to be doing is you want to be pushing back, back, back. Really you're pushing straight up in the air, but just imagine you're pushing backwards. Now, what I like to do is find a spot on the ceiling and just try and push to that spot on the ceiling and keep focused on it. Yeah, so they're all my tips today on how to be stronger at your bench press. Make sure you incorporate all these things. If you missed one, then yeah, your bench ain't gonna get stronger. Basically, that's basically what I'm saying. But yeah, make sure you tune into my next videos, some more tutorials on how to do some stuff, and follow me on Instagram as well. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.